An all-new luxury mid-size SUV is almost here. Ahead of its arrival in showrooms in early 2022, we're giving you a preview of the new Lexus NX. Due on sale in January 2022, the Lexus NX is new from the ground up, with a new platform, new engines and improved kit across the entire range. Since its 2014 launch, the original NX has sold over 1 million examples globally, and the midsize SUV has become the best-selling model in Australia. It is the hero in Lexus's local model lineup. The Lexus NX initially arrives with 3 powertrains under the bonnets of the NX 250, NX 350 and NX 350h Hybrid. And the first plug-in hybrid version, the NX 450h Plus, has been confirmed for Australia but will arrive later. Going into battle with the premium segment rivals such as the BMW X3, Audi Q5 and Mercedes-Benz GLC is no walk in the park, but the second generation Lexus NX is larger and more powerful than its predecessor, and it packs more kit too. A refined exterior sees a larger, more dynamic looking body, a longer nose and shorter rear overhang, bringing a new silhouette to the NX range. This is the top spec NX 350h Sport Luxury, and it's expected to be the volume seller when it hits Australian showrooms early next year. Its sporty body is punctuated by LEDs front and rear. New L-shaped rear lights and repositioned badge are symbols of the new generation Lexus. This Sport Luxury rides on 20-inch alloys, which is up from 18s. 3 4-cylinder petrol powertrains will include a naturally aspirated 2.5 litre, a new 2.4 litre turbo, and the flagship electrified 2.5 litre hybrid, the most powerful 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain from Lexus in Australia. In addition, the Lexus NX 450h Plus is set to become the Japanese carmaker's first plug-in hybrid model and is due in Australia early next year. Entry-level NX 250 and NX 350 will come with an 8-speed automatic transmission, while the NX 350h is paired to a CVT automatic. The NX 350h adds a lithium-ion battery and either 1 or 2 electric motors depending on whether it's front or all-wheel drive. Familiar trim levels of Luxury, F Sport and Sport Luxury remain. Combined cycle fuel economy for the front-wheel drive 350h is pitched as low as 5 litres per 100 kilometres, and the 350h will hit 100 kilometres per hour in around 7.7 seconds. The new design approach is next level. Sitting behind the wheel of the NX, it feels like no other Lexus I've ever been in before. The new NX features the brand's new Tazuna cockpit concept, a driver-focused design that brings all elements front and centre, fewer distractions for a more focused driving experience. Smart entry and push-button start, electric adjust steering column, 8-way powered front seats with heating and a heated steering wheel are standard. This new 14-inch touchscreen is home to digital radio, satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and more. You'll also find a 9.8-inch driver's instrumentation cluster. The news we've all been waiting for, however, is how easy is it all to use? Gone is the Lexus touchpad of old. This is the most intuitive, easy to use interface for Lexus by far. Hey Lexus voice control is also now standard across the range. F Sport and Sport Luxury models get a panoramic view monitor, wireless phone charging, coloured head-up display and touch-sensitive steering wheel controls. F Sport grades have an exclusive body kit, sport seats and dials, performance adaptive dampers and selectable drive modes including Sport S and Sport S Plus. Top spec Sport Luxury grades also get the up-spec 17-speaker Mark Levinson sound system standard. Smarter and safer in 2022, guys, an extensive safety suite includes autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian and daytime cyclist detection, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, lane trace assist, traffic sign recognition, intersection turn assist, emergency steering assist and tyre pressure monitoring. Every Lexus NX also comes with e-latch, an electronically activated door handle that warns the driver and keeps the door closed to avoid collision with cyclists, pedestrians or other vehicles. Lexus Connected Services brings SOS call and stolen vehicle tracking. Second row has a lovely raised seating position and there's plenty of room for 3 passengers. You've got 2 air vents, heated seats, 2 charge points, an armrest with cup holders, a light, sorted. A power tailgate is standard on the range and a 520 litre boot is fit for the family load. Locally, we're yet to drive the new NX, but in the meantime you can read our international drive impressions online. Price increases are expected across the entire range, pushing the entry-level variants over $60,000, but Lexus remains tight-lipped on by just how much. Keeping up with the Euros is hard, beating them even more so, but the new Lexus NX is throwing everything at the challenge in a most convincing way. Backed by the brand's generous after-sales provisions, the Lexus NX is certain to remain Lexus's best seller in Australia, and there's no reason it won't gain ground on its rivals too. Check back soon for a full review of the Lexus NX.